Really glad I bought this scarf. I have it in different colors, and I'm really glad I bought it because my braids are so old and I'm taking off the first line, so I'm using it to cover my shame. I know, like, I should have posted this video almost 3 weeks ago, but honestly I don't know what happened. I think I kind of underestimated the effects relocation usually have on people. What I'm trying to say is, after I moved into my apartment, I kind of started missing home. So like I was saying, when I posted my previous video, I got a couple of questions because I did mention that my school, I got partial scholarship. So I got a couple of questions. I think this scholarship video, I'm going to try to make it into a series because there are a lot of scholarships that are open to international students all over the world. So I don't think it's a topic I'll be able to cover in one video. So today is going to be more like an introduction. The application date for scholarship literally starts after the Chinese New Year, because I think in this whole February the website has been down. Now that the holiday is over, the website will be back on. So I'm posting this video in advance so that by the time the website start working, you'll be able to apply for the scholarship yourself. Scholarships are awarded by Chinese Scholarship Council, and then there are different types of scholarship. There is the Chinese government scholarship, there is provincial scholarship, that's where you see Shanghai government scholarship, Guangdong provincial scholarship, Beijing government scholarship, and then there is university scholarship. University scholarship are awarded by universities. I have a couple of universities that give out scholarships, but for university scholarships it's easier to get masters and PhD, while if you're using the other type of scholarships, it's easier to get undergraduate courses. What does scholarship cover? Depending on the scholarship or the type of scholarship you apply for, there is what they call the type A scholarship and the type B scholarship. Type A scholarship covers tuition fee, accommodation, health insurance, and you get monthly stipends. Remember, the accommodation is on campus. Like if you want to live outside campus, I don't know, that one is your own cup of tea. So moving on, what are the documents required? The documents are easy to get. It depends on the degree you are going for, and I'll be listing them out here. The documents that master students need to provide, I'll put in brackets masters, and then I'll leave the rest. So if you're watching this video and I list the documents here, if anyone has MSc beside it, just know that for an undergraduate student you don't need to provide that document, while if anyone has PhD, just know for a master's student and an undergraduate student you don't need to provide that document. The documents needed, number one, is your international passport. Please, for those of you that will come to my DM and my WhatsApp and tell me that you want to apply for scholarship, I'll say these are the documents, and you go like, I don't have international passport. What is your purpose? No, just tell me. Tell me your purpose in my DM, because I don't get how you would want to apply for international scholarship but you don't even have international passport. Please, let's be guided. Anyways, the number one document is international passport. The second document is you need a passport photo, like a white background passport photo. The third document, if you're applying for an undergraduate course, you need your O-levels. Your O-levels is your WAEC result, your NECO, or whatever exam is being written for high school graduates in your country. That is what is regarded as your O-levels. You need your high school certificate and your testimonial. You need an academic CV. An academic CV just states, in the past couple of years, what have you been doing with your life? It's very simple. You need letter of recommendation. Yes, you need at least 2 letters of recommendation, and then you need SOP. SOP simply means statement of purpose. In China, they call it study plan, while I think in other countries they call it SOP, that's statement of purpose. The next document that you'll be needing is a police character. The next document you need is an introduction video, a very simple introduction video. Just introduce yourself in a very simple way. You don't need to do much. Next document you need is English language certificate, just to state that the education you've gotten so far were taught in English. If you're applying for master's program, you'll be needing your BSc degree and your transcript, While if you're applying for a PhD program, you'll be needing a master's degree certificate and a transcript. When you have all these documents, depending on the type of scholarship you're applying for, you now go to the website and upload these documents. After the scholarship is awarded, when you get your email, I'll put a sample of what the email looks like somewhere here. When it comes to visa, that's when you've gotten your scholarship, you've gotten your admission letter, and you've gotten your JW202. When it comes to visa, the documents are also very simple. You need most of the documents you use to apply for your scholarship. You get your visa and you buy your flight ticket. You buy flight ticket yourself. They've given you scholarship. You self buy tickets. Anyways, that's that about this video. I really hope I explained in details as you guys have requested. I hope so. The earlier you apply, the better. Please note that just the way you're looking for this scholarship, other people are looking for it as well. Anyways, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.
Shawty out nice, so clean, make a man want holla. Anytime I see ya.